The sound begins to guide the way, a moving force that will not stay. Each beat creates a boundless play, a melody that sets the day. The waves collide in endless streams. They build the air, they craft the seams. Each tone reflects what life redeems, a world of sound and vivid beams.
The motion rises, strong and wide. A journey forms where hearts confide. The tones combine, they will not hide. A boundless world where all reside. The beat connects, it fills the air. A rising flow, a force so rare. Each moment builds without a care,
a melody that we all share.
Feel the motion take the lead,
a sound that plants the living seed.
Maranchon flows in endless streams.
It carries life beyond the seams,
a melody that fuels our dreams.
a world of sound and vivid beams. The beat unites, it shapes the core, a lasting sound we all explore.
Beneath the tones, the truth remains, a force that breaks what once was chains. It moves the ground, it shifts the plains, a melody that never wanes.
The waves combine, they weave the flow, a guiding path that we all know. It binds us all as we will grow, a sound that tells where we must go. Let the beat move through the ground, a flowing force that we have found. The melody fades into the air, its essence lingers everywhere. The melody fades into the air, its essence lingers everywhere. Momentum flows to shape the way, a timeless force that will not stray.